Hey, what is going on YouTube? My name is Murdoch and welcome back to another video. Now, if you've been on my channel before or seen any of my other videos, you probably know I like graffiti. Now, with graffiti comes tagging, which are kind of like a graffiti artist's signature, if that makes sense. I haven't really done a lot before. I think the only video where I have one in it is my wild graffiti video thing with the doctor graffiti tag. So I'm not an expert on it, but I do have a little bit of experience creating tags, so I'm going to share with you today what I know about graffiti tags, and hopefully it'll help you create some of your own in the future. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is figure out what you want your graffiti to say. So for me, I'm going to make mine say Doc, short for Murdoch. So I'll start with 3 letters, the DOC. And that's what I'm going to be trying to write. Now, when it comes to making tags, you don't want to style every letter with a bunch of different styles, if that makes sense. So you don't want to have jagged letters and curvy letters in the same tag. So for example, you don't want to do this. That's just a quick example of what not to do, and as you can see, it's not very good. So what you want to do is kind of determine what style you want. So you can have sharp, kind of like this. That's just another quick example. We'll build on that later. Or you can do more of a smooth, wavy design, like that. It's completely up to you. You could even do a cursive style if you want. Alright, so once you've decided what kind of style you want, you need to make it your own. So some suggestions that I could give to kind of like style it a little more is you can make letters different sizes. So already you can see in the beginning, I made the D, the O, and the C kind of different sizes. The O is smaller, D and C are bigger. You can also make some of the letters capitals and some lowercase. So for example, there, or if I want to change the style, now what I did with the C is I added an arrow. These are other properties that you could add to your artwork to give it more style. Now a few more examples could be underlines like this, or these weird quotation things like this. And yeah, so those are kind of the basics. And once you've got kind of some of those mastered, what you want to do is practice your tag and determine what you like, determine what you think is good. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm going to do now. So I'm kind of liking this style, so I did some practice ones, and now to become good at it, you need to practice it kind of like how you would a signature. So just keep practicing and you'll become better at it. Now as you're practicing, you might want to change something about your original. So see here, there's I kind of left a space between these two lines, and I kind of like it. I don't know if I like it more than this, but it's just an example of what you might want to change. Alright, so now that you've got your tag, you can start tagging things or using it to sign your work. So I guess I'll just do a quick sketch and then sign it with my new tag that I created. Alright, we finished the art piece, now it's time to sign it with our tag. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit like, and if you're new here, subscribe. New videos every week. And yeah, that's it for me. See you guys next week. Bye.